Hey, future millionaires, it's me here. Have you ever gazed up at the sky, looked into those twinkling stars, and asked yourself, am I on my path to greatness? Well, today, we're not looking up to the heavens. We're looking inward. Are you ready to discover if you are indeed on your way to becoming a millionaire? No, it doesn't mean having a trust fund or winning the lottery. It's about mastering the art of money, building wealth through knowledge and grit. Think of this video as your cosmic guide, giving you the signs you need to navigate your journey to financial freedom. Don't believe me? Okay, then test it out. See how many of these signs resonate with you. The more signs you check off, the closer you might be to unlocking the secrets of wealth. So buckle up, take notes, and let's decode the universe together. Sign No. 1. You embrace lifelong learning. Do you find joy in acquiring new skills and knowledge, even if they are directly related to your field? If yes, congratulations, you are already on the path to financial success. Why, you ask? Because a millionaire isn't just someone who stumbled into their riches. They're a student of life, constantly learning and evolving. They understand that knowledge is the bedrock of their success. Whether it's personal finance, business acumen, or just understanding global trends, they continuously invest in their education. And don't worry if you haven't quite reached millionaire status yet. This mindset is your golden ticket. Embrace the joy of learning and watch as your wealth grows. Remember, it's not about where you start, it's about the direction you're headed. No? 2. You are fearlessly independent. Imagine standing tall, unfazed by the opinions of others, fearlessly pursuing your dreams and taking charge of your financial destiny. That's the kind of confidence and independence that millionaires possess. They aren't afraid to blaze their own trails, charting courses that might be unconventional but lead to financial freedom. Does this sound like you? Then chances are you're already walking the path to riches. But if you find yourself hesitant, held back by the fear of criticism or failure, remember, it's okay to start small. Every millionaire began as a beginner. So take baby steps, learn from your missteps, and gradually build that unshakable independence. You won't become a millionaire by playing it safe. No. 3. You live below your means. Oh, the sweet temptation of living paycheck to paycheck. We've all been there, dreaming of that luxurious life just out of reach. But hold on, because true wealth isn't just about material possessions. It's about financial freedom. And guess what? Millionaires understand this all too well. They live below their means, saving and investing wisely for their future. Now, I'm not suggesting that you deprive yourself of life's pleasures. What I am saying is that conscious spending can pave the way to your dream life. Start by tracking your expenses, creating a budget that works for you, and resist the urge to keep up with the Joneses. Instead, channel your inner millionaire, live below your means, and watch as your wealth grows. You might just be closer to becoming a millionaire than you think. No, for you are a goal-getter. Do you set short and long-term goals for yourself and work diligently to achieve them? Then congratulations, you are already on your way to becoming a millionaire. Why? Because millionaires aren't lucky. They're goal-oriented. They have a clear vision of where they want to be financially, and they break down their big dreams into smaller, achievable goals. Whether it's saving a certain amount each month or expanding their business, they have a roadmap to success. So if you find yourself lacking direction, it's time to get focused. Start by setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down your big dreams into smaller milestones and watch as you inch closer to your millionaire status. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and multiply. No. 5. You never stop adapting. Are you someone who adapts quickly to changes in your financial circumstances? Perhaps you re-skilled at making adjustments to your lifestyle when your income fluctuates, or you readily find ways to save money during tough times. If so, you're already demonstrating traits that could lead you to becoming a millionaire. Because here's the thing, Millionaires don't just weather financial storms, they thrive in them. They're adaptable, flexible, and quick learners. When it comes to financial management, and here's how you can cultivate this valuable skill. First, accept that change is inevitable in your financial journey. Then develop a plan to adapt. Create a budget that allows for some wiggle room and helps you save for unexpected expenses. Finally, stay informed about personal finance and economic trends. With these steps in place, you'll be well equipped to handle whatever financial twists and turns come your way. Remember, adaptability is key to long-term financial success. Number 6, you make wise investments. Investments, the magical world of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Now, if you find yourself intrigued by this world, it's always asking questions and doing research before making any financial moves. Then, my friend, you're already on your path to becoming a millionaire. Why? Because millionaires don't shy away from investments. They understand the power of compound interest and long-term growth. They know that the earlier they start investing, the sooner they'll reap the rewards. So if you're not yet a millionaire but love learning about investments, don't worry. This passion alone is your first step towards financial freedom. Educate yourself, start small, and diversify your investments. Watch as your wealth grows and your financial future brightens. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is right now. And no. 7, you cultivate strong relationships. Now, do you value your network of family, friends, and professional connections? If yes, then you're already halfway to becoming a millionaire. Why? Because a strong support system is invaluable on the path to financial success. Millionaires understand this and nurture their relationships with family, friends, and mentors. They know that these connections can provide emotional support during tough times, valuable advice when needed, and even financial assistance when starting out. If you don't feel you have such a network, it's time to start building one. Attend industry events, join online communities, and reach out to individuals you admire. Building meaningful relationships takes time, but the payoff is immeasurable. Remember, you can't do it alone. Surround yourself with the right people and watch as your journey to financial success becomes smoother and more rewarding. So, did you find yourself on this list? Let us know in the comments below. If you can relate to most of these signs, congratulations. You may already be on your way to becoming a millionaire. Remember, it's not just about where you are, but also about where you're headed. Keep cultivating these money mindsets, and you might just find yourself living the millionaire lifestyle sooner than you think. However, if you don't see all of these signs in yourself, don't be discouraged. Use this video as a guide to help you get on track. Start by implementing the smallest changes and gradually work your way up. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither was your path to financial success. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like this video, share it with your friends, and comment below with your thoughts. We would love to hear from you, and as a thank you for staying with us to the end, here's a special gift, a free video that will help you on your journey to financial success. Click the link in the card above to access it now. Wishing you all the best in your future endeavors.